So let's see if I put one of these in there. It's swimming. It's swimming.
I just don't like the purple with the pink.
Hey guys, come with me and my family to IKEA. We're going to look at some of the artificial flowers and plants for potentially using them on our wedding, which is in a few months. See you there. Yay! Yay!
She's like, what's that?
Yeah, exactly.
Very cozy.
This is giving an apartment.
Very cozy.
One day I'm gonna have a stove like this.
You can have one of something like this. $8 max. That's $8. That's $8. We're here for fake flowers, remember? Your fake plant for the wedding.
Why is stoves so ASMR?
What do you think?
This is so
Sweetheart?
ASMR.
Which one? Esma.
Ready? Oh, that's good.
So we can have a few of these, put them in the middle of the table, but we're going to see what
How
other
am I
options.
supposed to open this? Oh.
This is very nice and cozy. What do you think?
One day my kitchen will look like this. Wait, Mom, you have something like this, right?
Happy Kai, not anymore.
Oh no. Very nice size barbecue.
Oh yeah, barbecue.
Oh, this is so satisfying. No, I don't know about you, but I find it very satisfying.
That's very cozy. That's a cozy note. That's very cozy. It's like an outdoor cozy area with the suspended lights, small cute lights. I like these color schemes. Is it too dark? I like the kitchen.
This is very fake. This is extremely fake.
But I feel like they're all very low. Even this one is low. Then I sit on this one.
This one isn't too bad.
It's not too bad. I like the blue.
This one's just really soft.
I like that one. I like the color. The coffee color.
I'm not gonna compliment on that.
I think it's cute.
I really, really like elf chairs though.
You do?
I love elf chairs. Because you could just...
Instead of standing this.
I know it's a seat actually. I think it's cute.
I need to do this so I could see you.
Yeah. Let's put it up.
Oh, this is... Whoever did this was thinking of
And
MacBook.
it's a sit standard. You can wind it up and work where you stand.
Whoever
Oh, okay.
Mom, whoever thought of this was thinking of MacBook. So I'm sure they have a MacBook, so they're like, let's just do that. Wait, no, it's not. because
No,
of
this
the
is actually,
button.
yeah, it's actually looks like an actual house. I was going to say this looks like the one
Someone
at.
left their drink here. At first I thought that was on display.
No, it's not on display. That's not on display.
What was that?
At first I thought that was
She
on
thought that
display.
was on display.
Were you asking about the table?
Oh, the table. This is like the one we have at Williams. Uh, Almost.
Is that extendable?
No, it's not extendable. Oh, actually, it is extendable. It has a small section.
Okay.
Yeah.
They had to use a real cord. They're funny.
Yeah, but they are sticking them to that.
So people don't steal.
Yeah, you see, this how to you actually use real cords. Yeah.
So is this
I like these mugs. It gives mugs. I love these. It gives a rich vibe, doesn't it?
This is giving.
I like the black display
And then the purple.
and the books.
Oh, I love the fire.
Oh yeah, there's a fire pit.
Even though it's literally glitching.
It's a fake fire.
I don't know why it's glitching. It's weird.
I really love that section and the window.
I'm sitting on like every couch I see.
Really,
This one's comfy.
that's a bit. I don't know. I don't. It's they still give like a cheap look. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, we are looking for flowers, so there are these ones.
You might as well just work on that.
Okay, then I want to smell this.
Look at me smell it. You like
Okay, that smells nice.
it? Yeah.
I like it. $22. Oh, that can stay there. 22. What am I buying? No. Did you look at the price?
Nah, I just wanted to smell it.
Oh, okay. I thought if you looked at the price. Look. They have a dumpling for dinner. I think both the microwave and the oven.
That's so cool.
I don't know actually.
This is
yeah, I
this
think
is an oven.
That's
has to be a
microwave and that's an oven. So,
Oh, that's so.
but I feel like
satisfying.
it's too tiny. Is that the normal size?
Oh yeah, this is a microwave.
That's a microwave. Yeah, we have one of those. It's bloated. And that you need to. And that's the oven.
It's not that big. And not
Yeah,
that
it's
small.
tiny.
Normal.
Because that's the average one. Yeah.
Oh, the fridge. Looking at this food makes me hungry.
They really did a good job at decorating that fridge with fake food. Hi, Ivy. Hey. You hungry yet? Hungry? Okay.
Hi. Ivy. Ivy.
Look at the fake view.
Is it actually Melbourne?
I think so.
It looks like Melbourne.
But they've really tried to decorate.
Oh, this is nice. Oh no, it doesn't feel good.
Yeah.
Good bathroom.
And oh, I like the floors. Oh, make sure they don't use it.
Bathroom is covered in a
That's a more mature, good, setup. I like it.
Well, you can fill your water actually.
Yeah, you can feel. And there's a fake bread. Don't know if you can
Oh, I
see.
think that's a French bread.
A French fake bread. It's very spongy. It can stay there. We don't want to ruin that small, nice display.
And dinner. You
Which
don't-
dinner?
They're having dinner.
Oh, they're about to have dinner. But
Yeah. wine, water. We're having dinner.
Actually, I like this. Look. Look. Yeah.
This is the only thing that's connected to actual electricity.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's connected? Oh, yeah. That's a nice setup, actually.
We're gonna leave it on.
It's nice.
Oh, year 10 homework.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing, Dana? Are you doing some homework?
Yeah, I'm doing homework. This is Microsoft Edge.
Yeah, actually doing some maths.
Basic
We're gonna go to
geometry.
biology
It literally says basic geometry.
now.
There
And
you
year 10 math homework.
go. Yeah. Okay.
2020.
Which ones? Everything is mesmerizing.
I love the coffee machine.
I think yellow overload, a little bit of there. Even that
Oh,
yellow overload, definitely.
Miss, oh, that is pink.
I like that.
That might be my house one day.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's okay.
That's the same type we have.
Which one?
This cup.
Oh, yeah.
We have it. Like, we have that, but we don't have this.
What?
It's very similar though.
It's almost. Oh, we don't have the sink.
We don't have this.
But we have.
But this is like more like a cylinder.
Oh, yeah, that's so
And
true.
it doesn't have red and blue.
Yeah,
Because
that's
we already know which is blue.
that's so true,
Guys,
Dana.
I'm making a pancake. Do I flip it? Wow.
Flip it. Ooh.
So cool, guys. Flip the pancake.
Okay, don't forget you're doing the prom, Dana. Don't forget your job. Prom. I don't know how I feel about that. How about this? I like it.
Oh, it's giving.
It's giving a farm kitchen, isn't it?
And also
No.
2020.
Yeah,
Oh,
farm
But they
kitchen.
have too many jars.
Yeah, to make all
Too
the.
many jars.
Yeah, it's definitely giving farm kitchen. Hi, Ivy. She's sad of being
They have pickles. Pickled cucumbers. I
Fake
want
pickle.
pickled cucumbers now.
fake pickles.
Oh, Mom, do I have to do the dishes?
Yeah, you survive because we no longer have to do the dishes because we have the dishwasher. Oh, they don't have it here.
Oh, then that's
Oh, so then yeah, then it's time for
Wait,
you to make
can
the
you look in
dishes.
fridge? Can you look in the fridge?
Look in the fridge. What?
Yeah. This fridge is so fancy.
Don't think that the fridge is fancy.
It looks okay. It feels a bit small though.
That's like something we had a long time ago.
Someone just put this in there.
No, is that no? If we didn't have that, but I like those drawers.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's two compartments.
Ivy, Ivy. Hey, how are you feeling?
And now
You woke up and went IKEA. Yes, sir.
there's more compartments. And this thing.
Okay, let's go. Let's move on to the next one.
Oh, my Mom, dishwasher.
This,
It's getting a dishwasher.
it does.
They have a dishwasher.
Oh, it does.
That's one of these.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. They have these ones. Well,
good one.
if you blink, you miss it.
It like
It blends in properly. We need one of those, Max. We need to start writing on the things that we need in our next house.
Ivy agrees with me.
I would like this.
For when she's a
when you start eating. Ivy, would you like some?
Oh. Ivy, you want this?
What do I do with that?
She's like,
Can't drink my milk
uninterested.
with that.
Ivy.
Ivy, if she likes this.
She's like looking at me like, I'm not interested.
Would you like that, Ivy? Not yet, not yet. But something to think of, yeah? Okay.
Like, what is that? Another one from my toy?
That's the same size as ours.
Yep.
Very small and compact. Oh yeah, that's the one we have.
It's the same thing though.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's cozy, isn't it? Oopsie.
That's so nice. I'm gonna look in the closet. There's a mirror. Then there's this.
Okay, let me open again. Let's see. Oh, okay. I like the mirror. Oh, they added clothes. Oh, they added holes so that people don't steal them. That's so funny.
This is nice, right?
Yeah, until you see a hole in it. But this is, I like how cozy that is.
And this is fashion.
Fashion, yeah. And that's the bathroom. I like, then the bathroom is nice and bright, like the window. Dana, I don't even have ideas. And this is the kids' room. Dana, this will be your room, but it's so done.
This is a kid's room with adult clothes.
I think this is an adult. This is an adult room. We're not here for fashion. We're here to add. I like how they added the books up there. I really love. I think it's really nice.
Oh yeah, but how am I supposed to reach that? Ask Max to help me reach down. No, I'll just stand on my bed and get it. That's what I normally do.
So the IKEA experience is still going. We
A
are.
closet without the doors? That's nice.
Are we guys enjoying? I like it. What do you think of this one?
I like the reading lights.
Oh yeah, I like how they are on here.
And I also like the fact that there's this.
The
So
bed
it
head.
makes me feel cozy.
Yes, what do you think of that?
Of what?
I like the carpet. It's in a way, actually no, I don't.
Of the actual bedroom.
The whole room.
Yeah. I like the carpet. Oh, this one is for.
That is giving my style.
Yeah,
This is
that was,
my style.
that's Dana's style.
Oh, I'm in a Zoom meeting. Please don't interrupt me. No, like literally, I'm in a Zoom meeting. I am interviewing.
You're interviewing someone?
I am interviewing my teachers. Yeah, this is remote learning. Please don't interrupt me. So this is me. That's my teacher. I don't know who those people are.
So she's having an interview with her teachers. And she didn't. I really like this room. I really like that room. Hey! It's really nice and very teenage.
Like, oh yeah, because of the sunglasses.
Oh yeah.
What is this supposed to be?
Very giving teenage vibe.
What is this? Oh.
Yeah, I think that's the vibe it's giving. It's really cool and cozy. I like it.
Yeah, same.
I like that bed. I like how cozy.
I actually like those kinds of wardrobes. They are so
Well, when we renovate our house, we should put in those. What do you think?
Put in what?
Wardrobes.
Wardrobes.
Yeah, isn't that the
Yeah.
ones?
Oh yeah, there's a million different ways we can do wardrobes.
And I like the white
I love this.
clothes.
Honestly, really love this. I love
Dana is obsessed.
it. Is amazing. Because I like it
I
how
see.
all
You
of
want
the
to put
hinges are above,
put her in there when you're
and
tired.
then all of
Yeah,
these are down
alright.
Heavy.
here, and then your jewelry stuff is here, and then it's like these are here for your I don't know what these are. I am obsessed.
All your jewelry, put it in there.
Yeah, your jewelry, and then your
Oh no, jewelry and also accessories
yeah, and then
like
the
belt,
sunnies,
sunnies.
and then these. Mom,
Yeah. What's in there? Oh, that you can put. Okay, they give you ideas, hats, and all those
oh,
stuff.
that's satisfying. And then these, and then these.
Yeah. Okay, let's keep rolling.
Let's get rolling. Mac, that's a Mac. This is apple. Yeah, that's apple. I can literally tell that's apple.
Yeah, it is. I like this, Sana. You can put it up and down
Oh yeah.
that desk. And can we take a moment and appreciate the view?
Oh yeah, is that Dockland?
That's a fake view.
No, that's Dockland.
Yeah, that's Docklands in Melbourne. Appreciating the fake view.
Oh, this is fake. Oh, this is Microsoft.
Which one?
This.
Oh. Look, they make sure that they break it so that you don't steal it. Look at
Wait, I
all
want to show Ivy
this.
this. It's a giraffe.
Gee. Monkey.
Monkey. Ivy.
Look at that. Grrr. Grrr. I told you, Ivy, you love it. Look, I'll turn that around so that they can't see you. She's not even bothered with it. Rawr.
Hey.
I don't think she's bothered with it. Oh, she's getting hungry. Shark. Rawr.
Ivy. It's a whale.
We know you're hungry and you're speaking up.
Or the bomb will drop. The bomb will drop.
Okay, the first section is done. This is where we started. Okay, it's almost time to. So we've done it. We're having like a little break. We've done one section of IKEA. Now we're going to do a different section of IKEA. And I'm yet to actually see the artificial plants because that's the reason that we're here is to get an idea on what kind of artificial plant they have, how much they cost, instead of hiring a florist for our wedding because it's extremely expensive. We have looked at them. we looked at a few of the providers, and we think they're a bit expensive. But if we can find that, we're only going to have 5 tables, so really we don't really need an exaggerated decoration. We just need, because our wedding is micro and it's a minimalistic wedding.
You think that's so cool?
I think they're silly toys. Anyway, that's how I find.
Ivy sand is nice and cold. I love it. And it's so tiny.
Oh yeah, we have one of those. Bathrooms.
Oh, I love that.
The next bathroom I have, I need to have those lights on the mirror.
Never mind.
Into the what? I like the black and white. Oh yeah, I used to, at one point, used to be obsessed.
I actually love that lava. I used to turn it on and then it's like, it used to like, the lava used to like be in the water. I don't know what it was.
Oh, we need to go this way.
I think that we gave the lava one to Wes because it was causing something.
Oh yeah.
And I told you, why did we take it away? You said that it wasn't really good or something. I don't remember what you said, but you said something like
And finally we get to the flowers while we're here. Oh. And this is why we are here.
they're $5. So he's
These are, we need some dead flowers. This is actually nice. So how much is each? Donna, can you look at the prices, please?
Yeah. This one is $5.
Is that every... Because I think we can get something out of this. Did you find how much is this, Max?
Sorry?
Did you find out how much they are?
Yeah, it says on the bottom.
Oh, okay. Oh, per each?
That one's $6.
Yeah.
Okay. Those puppies $3 each.
Ivy.
Do you want a bush? And there's more flowers here. So how much are each of these? 30. I can hold these as my wedding flowers.
Ooh.
I can get those.
What's your shine?
No, I won't be shy. Look, let's.
If you're gonna at least do that, you might as well just get real flowers.
Reusable.
God.
And how much are these ones?
All for the men.
No, it's too huge. There's some pretty
For the
small.
simple ladies.
Oh, I can just have a simple one like that.
Oh, this one.
I can just have a simple one working like this.
Or have this one.
Oh, actually, those are minimalistic. Actually, that's
Then we add more flowers to it.
that's the minimalistic ones. Yeah.
Oh my god, guys. I'm shy. Everyone's looking at me.
Look, this gives us an idea on putting on the table.
Yeah, is
Oh,
that
look
big
up
enough
there.
for the size table that we have?
Hi guys, I'm getting
No, we might
mad.
make it a little bit bushy like that. Even have,
Mom,
or even put different. We can have like a big one and then a small one around it. Yeah.
do you have to do that thing when you throw the flowers in the air and someone has to catch it?
Yes, there is that bit as well. How do you want to be autumn? I love autumn, and these ones would do really good job with autumn. Yeah.
I think you should go with pink. It will look good with the white dress.
No, I'm saying that for the decoration, putting the. So can you? Oh, look!
Oh, that's for the door.
I know for the door, it's like a rack. Yeah, but we can just add more
for the
stuff to
table,
it.
and then you put the vase in the middle.
Yeah. We can just work on this and add it more to put on both. Max, what do you think? We can add on this.
Oh, Mom, this is
Like put more flowers on this.
Don't you love roses?
So that to put it on the arc.
I wish this was
On the arch.
real. Oh, they even did the thorns.
Look at these ones. I can just have one like this.
Or you can have some roses.
But that gives us an idea. Look at all those ones. And
Ooh,
then
Mom,
we can put people's
Wait, what
names,
about
people where to sit. You can say table number this.
Mom,
Yeah.
what about Wednesday? The dead flowers.
Yeah, probably not. I think they're too strong. I don't. The red.
Okay, then what about nothing then?
Actually, I like. Oopsie. I like these ones as well. I like. Well, okay. I like these ones as well.
Oh, for you holding? I can't.
Not
picture you
holding,
going like
just
this.
putting them in one of the vases.
Whee!
But they have these red roses, which gives me
A vibe.
bad vibes. Yeah. Oh look, these ones are gone. These were popular. Oh, these were really popular.
These ones are pretty.
I think there are only one left. They are so pretty.
You like it, right?
Do you like that? Oh, probably doesn't know what it is. No, not bothered at all. Max, look, we can have, because our table is too huge, we can have actually 3 and then put them smaller one, the bigger one, and then the small ones. Yeah,
And it's
together.
like-
Yes.
It gives this design.
Yeah, like yes, different
Or we can
variations.
have this, put a flower inside.
I think that's yeah. And there are more. There are different ones. Oh, we can even go fancy. We can even go fancier.
I won't have some flowers.
Yeah? They're all vases, Max. We can go for these pretty small ones. And then we can use them as drinking afterwards. Yeah?
Should I show you something really cute?
Yeah. But they'll have sad faces. Oh. Or we can have this big one and then have a small ones around them. You'll have different variations. What do you think, Ivy?
Or we could go like this. Imagine I drink out of this.
Oh,
I'll
actually,
just
that's
be
a good
like-
idea. Let's see if you can.
It's a U.
A
Wait.
you.
Imagine I drank out of this.
Isn't that say? That's very elegant. That's very elegant.
Elegancy, Mom. Elegancy. Wait, ready? Imagine I drank out of this. I'll just be like.
Okay, I think we're deviating yet. We're
Okay.
deviating.
Just lay there. Just word on after that.
Nana, can you get the... Yeah, thank you. If we want to go wild, and then we can go really wild. Huge one on this big table. We just need 4 of each on the big table.
One with elegancy. It'll give it. Wow.
Can you check how much that is, Dana?
$12.
Yeah, so we need 3 of these on each table to give it a full, or 4 on each table.
Oh, I love
$50
these
a table.
plants.
Yeah.
Mom, you know King Julian? Oh, you know the TV show.
And then we have all.
They're all like this. And then they're phrasing.
Dana, can you hold those and I see?
Then they're like.
Hold them proper, just not like that. Hold them like you care.
I.
Okay, how about if we... Oh no, that's $38. That's so...
No, it's the $40.
39. That one... I was going to say put them in that one, but Jesus, that's a bit out of... Okay, how about we put them in here? See, can you put those in here, Dana, and I see how they look? Whoa. That's not the look we are going for. They're scattered, they're not pretty. Okay, then can you take them back, please? Can you take the flowers out of this? Maybe we just
That
need
looks silly though.
They look silly, they do look silly. I don't even know what to do. But like that together, they're okay. If you put them together. That's why I'm thinking maybe we need...
Mom, Ivy's reaction when I did this to her, she was like this. You want fans?
I don't know. We're not being serious now. Hi, Ivy. You're tired.
She's tired, but I think she wants to nap like this. But she definitely.
Sorry.
Okay,
1, 2,
or something.
3.
Yeah, something like that would do. Yeah. So let's see if I put one of these in there.
Doesn't
It's
look
swimming.
good.
It's swimming.
I just don't like the purple with the pink. It's just not happy. Wait, what about this?
Okay. No, it was just an example. It's swimming. Okay. At least we know they're here and
This one?
they're okay quality.
What this one? This one, the one he's swimming here.
Yeah, but they're three. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That buying 3 of, getting 1, 2, 3, and then put the. Which one? The purple.
The big one of the big ones.
Where are the big ones? Yeah.
Well, we just need to add some more.
Some more short, small one to fill,
Yeah.
like gap fillers.
Like, this one,
Oh, that's huge, but that's okay.
and then another one to add with the design, and then probably not this one. No, that looks good though. Then that one. Then that one. Then that one. That looks good, right?
Actually, they look okay. They look okay. Okay.
More expensive.
Really?
Yeah, these are $9.
Mark, have you looked at how much they're charging us for the decoration? The florist.
Yeah, that was the real flowers.
No. Some of them are fake.
I want the happy inside.
This is just to put.
Happy and then a song.
What's that?
Gone.
These actually looks real, don't they?
You like this one too.
Dead.
Oh. You said you look after your plants very well. Why is all
Or maybe I gave them away. I don't remember exactly. Actually, these are
Dude,
oh.
I love cats.
Guys, what do you think of this?
I just prefer it.
For what?
I don't know. They look real.
Do they have cactuses? Oh wait, no they don't. I wish they had real cactus.
You know it's cactus, right?
Cactus.
And if there's more than one, it's cacti.
But cactus is my...
That's not what I meant. That's okay.
Wait, the actual thing?
I wanted to, yeah, cover her the whole lot. She's on display. And she's $69. That's cute. I like how those lights are suspending.
Someone
They're
left all those
suspending.
junk. Someone wanted to buy some shoes. Oh, I'm on display.
Display again.
I told you that I was on display. He gave me a note. It was like cool.
Dana was measured the other day, 2 days ago, but she wants to be measured again. So they've got all this Christmas ice stuff out, but again, we're in October.
Yeah. Feet, 5 foot, 3.
5'3", yo, I'm tall. I am tall.
So all this Christmas stuff, they're all out. Like they've just.
Oh, there's a golden apple. In Minecraft, if you have a golden apple, it gives you more lives.
Really?
Yes. Oh my god, well, that's crazy. What the hell is this?
Kind of.
Oh,
The Christmas stuff are all out now.
we're gonna decorate that.
Yeah, we'll get. Okay, how many? You want which one? Oh, this is finished. How many of these? I'm going to have one. Then I want to have one.
Yeah.
and then one of this. That one or this one. Okay.
Yeah.
You want cheese?
No.
No, no cheese. Okay. No onion. Okay. We're happy with those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I feel like that's all they have on the menu.
Yeah. Card. Okay. Let's hit it.
I'm just fine.
Approved.
So sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, Dana. When they call us, let's go.
What's our number? 3.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish it was 6, 7.
Okay, let's go and sit somewhere. Then I will bring that food.
Is Dana going to be able to?
You know what did you get?
Hot dog and an ice cream.
An ice cream. Let's see your ice cream. There you go. Meatballs. Should we get meatballs? IKEA meatballs. Okay. Okay, we pass.
They call it IKEA food.
So we found more. I think my mic went off actually.
Because you turned off the...
Yeah. These are really nice, but $120 a bit of a stretch. I think they're really cool. That's like a Christmas wrench. Hey, Didi. You look cool in there.
This is comfy.
Looks comfy.
It is.
I find we can find something here.
I just need to sit on
Maybe we can
everywhere.
find. So this is in Freedom Furniture after IKEA. We thought we can come here and just have a look. And come and just have a...
Well, that's cold. I don't like seats that are cold.
Because that's leather, sweetheart. Leather.
But they're cold.
Hey!
Hi. There's lighters in her eye.
Yeah. Let's go have a look.
Can I sit on every single seat? This one I would sit on.
You do?
Yeah, I would recommend it to you.
I don't like the color. I'm more scared of the color.
Oh, this is...
Mark, do you like this vibe? Mark, do you like that vibe?
I don't understand the concept of this book, Mom.
You like that one?
The size of
Like
my
what
bed
colour?
is...
That vibe of the...
This is
I don't
not
like this.
comfy
I like
at
that. Yeah.
This is not gonna be comfy at all.
Oh, Max, look at
This
this.
is actually really comfy.
This is a good concept. Minimalistic. You like that? Dana, what do you think of that one? Yeah.
No, man.
Yeah, big but simple.
Yeah, but I don't like the color. Like, what is that? It looks like a
I like it. Hey, what's going on? Oh, it's really
It
comfortable.
just sinks down and it's like it's so bouncy.
Like this, you just get one of those, walking on the table, and then the table decorations are done.
Just wank.
Look, Max, there you go. You can just have this concept.
Oh, I think that's real because I put water in it.
That's not true, that's fake. Including the water is fake.
Wait, no, it's not. Oh.
You have a lot that you will learn from me. I think this is the wrong place to shop. Okay, we haven't gone that, we are exiting.
Oh, this is black.
Yeah, it gives you a rich vibe.
This is hard.
Yeah, because it's leather, sweetheart.
I thought it was.
You have it forever.
Oh wait, really?
Yeah. You buy leather.
Most has leather.
I don't want that name to be mentioned. It's not fair to be mentioning people's names because it's going to be put on the internet.
Oh. Well, we can just edit it out.
I don't have time to go through footage. Just get the names out. Look, another.
What about we say one of our friends?
Yeah, that's better.
There's just a mattress on the wall, just standing up.
Yeah, I think we're. Hi, Ivy. Are you enjoying the show? Alright, you see, now this is a nice proper kitchen. The IKEA kitchens, I don't get them.
What is this supposed to be?
A fan.
I think no.
It's not.
Garbage disposal.
Garbage disposal?
No,
Yeah, that's what I said, a fan.
oh.
Yeah.
I don't understand the point of that. I think I prefer this one.
Yeah, it's the exhaust fan.
Exhaust fan.
So it's like we've got one under. Yeah, it's this, but it's down there instead.
Oh, well, I prefer this.
This is so cool. This is the really, you can see this is really top notch. The one from IKEA, they're kind of not the best quality. Oh, it still works. Okay, don't play with that, Nana. Let's go this side. Flowers. This feels real.
Not really.
They feel real and they feel really nice. Nicer than. Can you check the price? Yeah, that's. Yeah. But they really feel good.
These are outdoor furniture.
Yeah.
Can we go to the candles?
Ma, can you look at the flowers at the back? At the back, those. This one. No, these ones down behind here.
Yeah.
They feel real. Can you touch them?
What handles do
But they're $50 each.
Mom, what
Yeah.
handles would
I like something simple. I like that. I like simple.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, I don't like them. I actually don't even like any of them. But I need a small candle. This one is absolute fire.
Let me smell it. Ooh. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you so much for coming with us to IKEA. So hope you have enjoyed the way this video, like the way we have enjoyed it. We have enjoyed looking around IKEA, and